Morning. Wow, what a crazy bar. Do they bring in the fluffer or not, folks? It's a good morning to you. Let's see what the hell is happening here. Sideways action for days. Look at this. They're just taking the draws. So let's be careful, you know, in the exterior liquidity. We are the narrowest range of the last 7 trading days. So we're going to be using the 2-minute charts. Keltner channels on the 2-minute charts. All right, so they're extending on each side. See, it does show the whole chart, doesn't it? Mr. Paul, welcome. Okay, one thing I see is we have a high and tight profile, skew right hard, right? So are they distributing above here? And it looks like all of the volume is coming in the last, you know, obviously is in this move. So do we find the VWAP and then go back to the VPOC, VWAP, VPOC? Okay, or does it find a place to break? Paul, there's more information. You can go ahead and get the game plan for free here. Just kind of gives the 100 level trades. Just my basic of what basic premise. All right. but the delta is all over the place. They are leaning into the bid on this punch upwards. I mean, the least you don't want to see it under here, right? Near here, Bohica. So if you're new, welcome. Volume-based price action trading, volume-based tape reading price action. I sat down at the desk right after this. Missed it. Missed the entry. Ripper. Ripper, ripper, ripper. All right, so what we're waiting for is we are waiting for it to not do this. This is garbage. You know what? FOMO walk. I'll be back.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no.
I am actually going to go for a walk. If you're new, the way that I can keep myself from doing something dumb right here and trying to short or go long or whatever, out of process, is to go take a walk. Play Metallica. And the game plan is complimentary. It is free. Those of you that don't have it yet, get it. I'll be right back. I'm going to go take a walk. All right. Through the VWAP, huh? Through the VPOC, huh? Right into the lower Keltner. But not alone. I ask no one. Rover, wanderer, nomad, vagabond. All right, we've got a free Discord. We got Joey over there spitting numbers. Free Discord. Joey over there spitting numbers for you to watch the levels. Watch the levels that he talks about. We've got about 8 minutes until the opening bell. Yeah, this is just yuck. Anywhere I roam. As you can see, the 50% level, right, is right there at VPOC. So there's nothing to trade. Diddle in the middle, your account getting little. As much as I'd love to tell you that I'd love to short this, I'm going to pass. Yep. May it win without me. No rush, Marty. I accidentally typed in Marty when I was messaging Martin. And so he calls me Revy, and it's kind of awkward. You know what I mean? Like, Spidey. You gonna go cry in the car. Oh man, they're probably gonna take this thing straight down. Now, I will say this: if I get another sell signal, with a smaller stop, it might be worth it. The challenge is we're narrow range, and this is the middle of the range. Diddle in the middle, your account getting little. Elijah, we should have that song as a hotkey. Or like on page 2. Oh, right now there's 80% off. 80%. Listen, if you use TradingView, okay? If you use TradingView, please pay the 80% off and just add to your subscription, because it just gives you so much more time. Okay, and upgrade your subscription when it does this. So is my super ego keeping me out of this trade? Because your delta is pushing again, but it's near the lows. I see it. I see 75. How do we get there though? Does it just flag straight there? No fluffer? Or not? That is the question. So far, the answer is not to fluff, sir. Do they pull the fluffing right at the last? Oh man, it's hard to say that with a straight face. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Mr. Winner, good morning. All right, we got 2 minutes till the opening bell, folks. Let's see how this thing plays out. Yes, it could go straight to view app. Yes, it can go straight to VAH. Over under the meridian of this block that we've been in is 8250. 8250. Nice call on the snake at 87. Nice call on the snake at 87. Good call. Good call. That kept me out of any trading. Our moving averages are backwards. They don't go to the right direction until the 5 minute. So the 5 minute says next buy, you're in. Oh, folks, ladies and gentlemen, 15 minutes says no shorting. Look at this. Uh-oh, we need this to turn up. Okay, this has to turn blue. The 200 has to turn blue. Okay, then that's as close as you're going to get to a 1 in 29 odds winner. That's terrible, right? That's like 3%, 4%. We don't. No. That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. All right, so what we want to see is the 2 minute, and so this is the 15 minute. We want to see the 2 minute and the 5 minute give us something, which it is. the 2 minutes backwards. The 200, what I mean by that is the 200 is over the Wappleton VWAP of the VWAP kind. 200 is over the VWAP. We don't want that. We want VWAP above the 200 like we have on the 15 and the 5. Five-minute, I have not changed it from chartreuse to cornflower. Much better. It says just chill. Just chill. Oh, yeah. Oh. This is dangerous territory. That's a sword. Holy moly, huh? I mean, really, all they did on the 5 minutes, pull it right to the Wappleton and the 2 hundo and rip it on a 4-bar play. Careful, they could bring that right back. Hey, you got to be in the hand to get lucky. Right, Alpha? Wow, that 2 minutes, a monster. Tight little stoppy. Hey, Tony. It's 84 to 86.75, guys. It's the breaker block. Just don't make it any more complicated than it is, right? Okay, right into external liquidity. Okay, the first time he sold big was 87. And then underneath that, 82.50.
Order submitted.
You got to be kidding me. Come on. Come back and fill me. No. No fill. No
Order
fill.
canceled.
No fill. Wow. There's your target. Oh, no. I missed it. I tried to put the order in.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
I just tried to bid it again. They were like, you again? Get out of here. 91.50 is the target. 2R is 95.75. No fill for me, guys. They looked at me and they were like, this guy. Because I bid sevens first instead of quarters. He's unloading, but they're absorbing it, right? Because if they weren't going to absorb it, they wouldn't have just let this pink slide. I have canceled my bids. Your delta is dog do. DDD, dog do delta. I don't know. That's a pretty good divergence. I don't know. Maybe I just messed up by not bidding that 7/4. Because every time they hit low print, it is a higher print. I don't trust it. All right, low print delta, low print delta. So it shows absorption, right? It does. No trades for me. Distribution. Excuse me. All right, Tyson. See you, buddy. Great job. Look at the 15-minute, please. Holy sword of Conan.
Order submitted.
83 with a 78.75 stop.
Order filled.
No. That's not going to work. I will not move my stop.
Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
A break even +1. I screwed up on the first one. The second one, excuse me. Second one. The first one was just a leg sweep. I could have made money on the second one, but I didn't pull the stop up or close it. Come on, one more push. One more push above VWAP. Go. 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 There. They found the stops. Go. One more push. Oh boy, I'm about to give back 7 points.
Stop filled.
Okay, we're on the edge. We're on the edge. If we go to the 15-minute, take a look at on the edge of it here. Wow, I really did give back 7 points. Sweet. And 5 points first time. So my thought is we have 2 camps, right? The first camp is we're just ranging. Okay, the second camp is, do we get the first part of the triple stack in a direction on the 2-minute first? Let my heart go. I'm small red. I would have been small green if I would have closed. Oh, oh.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Lots of orange on trade of 8.
Order submitted.
65s. Two-minute and 5-minute showing 72 at the same time.
Order submitted.
Five minutes backwards. But can they smash it downwards and make it go the right way, or do they buy it? I mean, they have a perfect sweep on the high to high. That's a perfect sweep because you have a huge buyer that got stuck at the exact top. 3 by 312. One tick Rick from my complete leg sweep entry. So no fill in the leg sweep, one tick from it. Look at this. Well,
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
okay, one leg sweep out. Delta's still dripping. Okay, leg sweep, stop down. Free trade on leg sweep. One tick.
Order canceled.
There we go. Leg sweep complete. There we go. Now rip it. Okay, 1R is 65.50. Two R's 59. Okay, you've got it. You've got the correct pattern on the 2 minute, but you have it backwards on the 5 minute. So they have to shove the VWAP under the 200 to get it going. You see this? Now, if they fail, it rips higher. So if we can get a move down, let's put our stop down here. Okay, we're below that seller. Stop down, free trade. Let's go. Either it's going to hit it or it's not. Let's go. Stop down again. Okay, getting bouncy. Here we go. Hit that target, and we're going to be out. Oh, one tick rick me. My stop is 70. It's going to hit it. Come on, 65.50. Do your thing. There we go. There we go. They're trying to sell into the bottom Delta on new lows. Delta on new lows. There we go.
Unfilled.
Bang. Out. Okay. There you are. I'm flat. Base hits. Yes. Okay. Is that the opening? And then yesterday's low is 31, which is much lower. Okay, there's a lot of selling going on down here. A lot of selling. A lot of selling. 65s, he sold them. A good call in 65. That's what I was with you, Nick. But you know me, I'm not going to move my target, right, to get 2 ticks. Yeah, when they line up with some of you guys' levels, right? It's a no-brainer. You know, you have to push the button, right? We had to be short 72s. You had to be short 78s. You had to be short 72s. You had to be short 78s. On the 2-minute chart, it's telling you you have to do it. Look, okay, view out. Okay, and 200, turn the same color as we get paint. You have to take that trade. One in 29 chance of it happening over 700. It's about 3 years of data. 700. It was like 730 days of data with a 90, 95, 98% success rate. One out of like 20. Yeah, 1 out of 29 loses. Let's go, Brad. Let's go, Brad. Stay frosty. Bang. All right, now look at your 15. It's backwards. Be careful. It's backwards. Be careful. Look at your 5-minute. It's backwards. Be careful. Yes, we're getting the sells. Is it going to be able to pull the VWAP under the deuce 100? The deuce bands. Deuce. I'm small green. Small green. Nothing to write home to mom about. Small green. Commissions are alive and killing. This thing on. I'll be right back. FOMO.
Oh, I get what you're
man.
saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No. Why won't you listen to me?
Are you sure about that?
500 offered at 78. 500 offered at 78. My body lies, but still I roam. Yeah, yeah. Right at VWAP. You know what he's doing. He's getting paid. Yeah, 65 was gas. Good call, Nick. Wherever I may roam. Now, you have a very large seller on the NQ. They got him. Look. Got him. So now, that 25200 is now your over-under on the NQ for all the markets. Right there. Right there, guys. That's your over-under. You see how we find it? That guy right there got to sell 192 into buy-side liquidity. The dreamy price of 25200. Did I just get caught monologuing? I might have. Oh no. Okay, target is 66 quarts. Oh no, I got caught monologuing. No, there's 5 points facial. No, 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 no. There's 5 points without rev. Canceling the bid, canceling my offer. Excuse me, excuse me. Your NQ is saying sell, 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 sell. Sell, 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 sell. We may have a problem, Houston. I missed this trade. Look at this one. Oh, wow, wow. And why do we know that we take it? Okay. First of all, the kiss, right? Which is explained in the game plan. The second layer of the kiss is VWAP / 200. Write that down. VWAP / 200. So the other day, the Easter egg was me showing everyone the secret, not a secret, to what we're actually doing in the Sunday night review and rev up. Those people that commented correctly got to be entered into a drawing. There was only 7 of you. Quentin B was the winner for a 1-hour session with me and all the material that goes with it. Let's go, Marty. You have a nasty 3-bar play. Be careful, everybody. If you're short, be careful. Look at your 5-minute 3-bar play. Even though it's telling you sell, the 15-minute, excuse me, the 200 and the VWAP are incorrect on the 5-minute chart. M is between M in sign language is between the middle knuckles, right? There is crying. Oh, you could have entered again. Don't you hear your babies crying? Delta's trying to rise. Oh, because he just bought 600. Got him. Got him. And then they instantly sold him. Mama, they try. I totally balked on 71. Egg on my face. R2R is 61.50, guys. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is hard to watch without me in it.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why won't you listen to me?
All right, there's bigger targets, guys. I got them on there for you. Ooh, come on. Would you go the right way? I can't. Look, it's not right yet. Look, it's not right yet. It is the right way, though. Boy, this next bar in 5 minutes could really change things, everybody. Either they're going to absorb it or we're going to dump hard. Because this is my 1 in 29 trade.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Watching 58th. If we leg sweep, I'm going to clear at 64s because of your controlling seller. We've got to get through 61 here. Three minutes. They're trying to shove the VWAP below the 200 to get their signals. This is a major sell signal on the 15 if it goes. What I mean by that is it tells me to be real careful trying to go long.
Order filled. Order submitted.
64s. I'm looking for 64s. Okay. Leg sweep down. Leg sweep down because it one-ticked me. Leg sweep down. It one-ticked me. Come on, fill that hole. Fill that hole. 64.75. Fill that hole. I want to be one of the lucky 17. Let's go. Let's go. Bang. Leg sweep out. Now crack it. And I'm very light, guys. I'm doing this in one account per trade. They might take this a little bit higher. I have one left. I'm very light. I don't trust any of this business here. Delta's trying to pump. Oh, there's 500 at 69.75. That's why they're trying to get there. Gone.
Order
Ah,
submitted.
I missed it. I missed it.
Order canceled.
All right, he owns them at 70.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Small red. Small red in one account.
Order filled.
$78 has 500.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Wrath of Man. Here's the deal. If we start to close on the 5-minute above VWAP and it turns up, sellers are out. If, right? Because we see that he owns it at 70. Now, remember, if it turns right back down, it's going to do the same thing, right? Wrath of Man. $78s. It's just on the other side of VWAP, right? Do they smack VWAP sellers, sell to opens? We've got a small resistance pocket right above us at 75s. $84 if they can get it, right? They are pulling the liquidity here on these moves. Like when it went under 70, did you guys see that? It went to instantly to 68 on no volume. And so they're just pulling it. They wanted to own 70, by the way. Twice. Previously.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Ooh, they're leaning into 70.
Order canceled.
This is interesting because we're getting a big sell signal here and they bought it.
Order canceled.
Whiplash.
Order submitted.
There's no way they print 74. It's time to hit the road. They own 70. Yeah, I've said that. Because we're Metallica. Okay, now here's the deal. The 5 minute has actually turned. So let's see if let's uh-oh. Uh-oh. I may have not exited there.
Order canceled.
Decision right here, 67, 67, 70, because they own them at 70. Well, they sold them at 70, right? The way that I see it is if they sold huge at 70, somebody owns them at 70. And they were just scraping for, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, sure. I'll put a stop at 74, sure. All right, one left. Blasted. Just like I thought. That was boom. That was a 12-point move in like 5 seconds. Very bearish here. I'm gonna draw it. Look right here. Here's your line. We can't live forever. All right, there's your external liquidity. We just poached it. Now what, right? Right to the VWAP and fail. This is Charlie Foxtrot if I've ever seen it. Everything says sell except the 5-minute VWAP 200. All sinners, a future. All saints, a past. If you swept the leg of pink, you're looking good. Careful. You can flip a coin as to which way it's going to go here, because they violated both sides. Pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me. There's a buyer. All sinners, a future. All saints, a past. To ash now. Okay, one more push-up, and then I'll probably exit, because they are really starting to lean. If we go through 67.50, guys, like quickly, that's the sign, right? Okay, but here's the deal: the people that are jumping in too early, we will thank them if it's incorrect, right? Oh, this is trappy, no doubt, Al. Because we're below the VWAP, right? I mean, that's sells only for certain algorithms. Also, it could be value for other algorithms. 70, you can see on the tape that he bought it and sold it. They played, there was a lot of transaction there. In the meantime, I'm sitting here not taking trades, listening to Metallica. I am long at 70. But I'm not scalping this out here. I want to see which way it goes. At 78, we've got 466 still offered. Scraper algorithms are paying attention. I'm spacing out. I'm supposed to get out of this long here. What am I doing here? Oops. Come on, one more big buyer. The 78 lingering. 78 lingering. $10.30. Market's been open 1 hour. And all the sell signals are firing. Everything except for the 15-minute has not turned red yet. So where's the seller? 5 minute, 5 minute, not 15 minute. 15 minutes full-blown sell signal. But why is the 5 minute contradicting and counteracting? All right, so the numbers are 74.50 and 84. Do they sell it heavy here, right here, or do they find a buyer? It's past the first hour.
Order filled.
All right, 67.50 was the fucking.
Order filled.
$51.25 is a 15-minute target. All right, this 5-minute might actually paint in the next 30 seconds. $54.50 and $51.25. $51.25 is the 15-minute target. $54.50 is a 5-minute target. And I should have been shorting the whole fucking time. There we go. Here comes your 54s. Okay, here comes your 51s. Stop down for me because I got a shit fill. Okay, there's your 54.50 on your 5-minute target. $125 target.
Target
Out.
filled.
All right, triple stack is on. No buying.
Order filled.
He just bought 1,200.
Order filled.
Yep. Yep. I sold it. I got some of that. Yeah, nom. Good job, boys. If you're wondering who I'm talking to, those guys over in Discord are rocking and rolling. They're watching the tape like we are. Okay, now that's our over-under, 48.25 is the over-under now, G. Very easy to see.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Missed it. There's a lot of volume going through here. Guys. There's momentum to be caught. Okay, 5 minutes still short. 39.75 target on 5 minute. I tried to add at 48, but I pulled my offer. Man, oops. Okay, delta diverging. Either they're absorbing or they're about to get trapped. They're buying it too early, right? Okay, you got your order block. You got a breaker block right below us here at 20 half to 34. Right, so shore up and into the 35s, right? I must feel, look forward to reveal. Look to the time when I lived. Guys, there's no buying. Cam, you have the triple stack that says you're not allowed to buy. The triple stack is not done. The triple stack is just beginning. The triple stack, if it closes 26s, folks, that's closing below the meridian. It's got to make a big decision. Now, if we don't get there, that's you know, you guys are right, but be careful here. Be careful.
Order submitted.
No fill again. I want that.
Order canceled.
I want it to break, too. Delta rising. I mean, there's 12 minutes left of this 15-minute bar. As you can see, everything says sell. So either we're at the bottom of the range or we have more to go. If you're going to try to pick the bottom, be careful. $39.75 is the next blue candle print, 1R. Here it comes. Come on. Delta trying to turn down. Decision here. Somebody is absorbing 41. Hmm. $20, 2.5 and 0. Martin, 20, 2.5 and 0. 20 length. So your SMA is 20. Okay, and it's 2.5 ATR from each side, positive and negative 2.5, and it's 0 displacement. Great question, thank you. There's your 39.75s. Unload them on the 5-minute. 15-minute target is 35.25 for 2R. Hey, he sold 40s. Sell. Oh, but I need her more. Misery. She needs me. Come on. All right.
Order submitted.
If you get another contract in, 32 is the target as well. No fill at 39.25. God, they were fast, man. If I print 35.25 first, I'm going to kill everything. If I get 39.25 add, I'm going T2 will be 32. 1R.
Order
Okay,
canceled.
all out. And let me tell you guys, I screwed that up every way to Sunday, and I'm very small green, so I absolutely have to reset. Stay short, guys. If you have shorts, the triple stack is on. I cannot be any clearer as to what's going on. They got him. They got him. Okay? Market is going down. Another 5-minute sell signal. At breaker block. Be careful. Red flag, red flag. At breaker block. Either it's going to stop here and go up, or it's going to go right through it. Take profits. They just sold right through it, right into the 32s. There they go. What is that? Is that 24, Joey? Yeah, 24. Yeah, I see it. Okay, there's 600 offered at 34.50. Guys, I'm going to step away for a second. I have FOMO like no other.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why won't you listen to me?
Oh, yeah, they've smacked this thing. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, look at where it's gone. Let's go, fam. Full speed or nothing. Careful of a bottom here. Careful of a bottom here. That could be an exhaustion bar, right? Yeah. You know, while we're sitting right here, let's move this over to the X stream. Those of you that are new, jump on over to the X.com. Follow me at _SageFT. Yep. I'll see you guys over there.